It is time to get ready for the upcoming holiday season. That starts with cleaning and prepping. Joining us to help us work smarter, not harder this year with products that get the job done is home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery. Welcome, Kathryn. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning, Stella. So when I can come back in studio, I'll be making you work smarter, not harder with me here. But love sharing these tips with you because, you know, holidays are around the corner. We all get really stressed out. So let's make sure our homes are clean and ready and safe for the upcoming season, right?
Yeah, I mean, what is something to keep our space clean, especially with COVID? And if, you know, you're going to have your own family there, you still want to keep your house clean.
You said it perfectly. And this is Microgold. Microgold is a multi-action disinfectant and antimicrobial spray that has been tested and proven to kill COVID-19 within 3 minutes. Isn't that amazing? So you can use it on all hard surfaces throughout your house. So think about all your countertops, all your fixtures in your bathroom, even outside, patio furniture if you're going to be outside. The nice thing is that antimicrobial is going to prevent. So what most people don't realize is that disinfectants will kill germs, but once they dry, that's when the protection stops. So with that antimicrobial, you get that lasting protection. Just a great way. The nice thing is this is a hospital grade formula and you can get it in your house. So go to getmicrogold.com and check it out. I love it too. They're a San Diego based company. So buy local,
good.
Right?
What is it? Does it have a strong smell or no?
No, it has a very light smell. It's amazing. When I found it, and with that antimicrobial, I had to bring it on and show you because it's brand new, just on the market. So it's called Get Microgold, and it's the only one that's been EPA tested and approved that's both a disinfectant and an antimicrobial. That antimicrobial really provides that protection.
What about maintaining the clean air at home?
Yes. So, while you're cleaning with this Microgold, use a microfiber cloth. So I don't know if you use paper or cotton, but paper and cotton just push the dirt around. Microfiber actually removes the dirt. It's because the fibers are like tiny. They're like microscopic, the size of hairs, looped thousands of times. So they actually act as a magnet for dirt, bacteria, grime. Whenever I see anyone keep cleaning with cotton or paper, I say, throw it out and get microfiber. And check out these are the Quickie job site heavy duty microfiber cloths. Go into Home Depot, grab a bag like this, and you're good to go. So use that with your Microgold and you're like set there. Yeah. And then you mentioned clean air, Stella. So do you have a humidifier?
I do. I have one I've used for my daughter's room.
Everybody needs a humidifier, especially now that we're going into cold and flu season. So I love this Air Innovations Top Fill digital humidifier for a number of reasons. Number one, it's got this permanent ceramic filter. So that means that you're going to get clean mist technology, because that's really what you want to breathe and you want to have your daughter breathing, is that clean mist. So you're going to make sure you get it. It's going to remove all the impurities, and then you don't have to go out and buy filters, because I don't know about you, I never buy filters for my humidifiers. I'm a lazy humidifier owner.
So let me ask you something, Kathryn. That one looks big. Is there a smaller version?
Yes, there is a smaller version. Absolutely. This one has a top fill design though, so I don't like lugging it back and forth to the sink. And then you've got an antimicrobial tank and base. So Stella, no germs can grow inside of it. So think about it. You can fill it once in your daughter's room. You know you get that clean mist technology, and you don't have to worry about anything growing inside. So Air Innovations, that's the brand you want. And this is a QVC exclusive. It's got a remote control and nozzle. As you can see, it's got all the bells and whistles, but all of Air Innovations humidifiers have that antimicrobial tank and base, which I love. So you've got the inside ready, right? You're ready to host your guests. I have a super easy way to cook your turkey this year if you want it.
Yeah, of course.
So cook it on a pellet grill. So we talked a little bit about pellet grilling this summer on your station. And the nice thing about a pellet grill is you literally will just fill it up with pellets right here. So I have cherry right here, but you can get all different kinds of flavor, hickory, smoke. You don't even need a flavor. You put them in the auger. What happens is it actually is like a convection oven. So it turns all the way around. So So I actually built this last night. No, I have other pellet grills. This is a Monument grill. It's their newest one. Look at how big it is. You could fit like a 30-pound bird in here. So, and the nice thing is, you know, you think, oh, I got a rotisserie, I got to spin it, I got to turn it around. No, you don't, because that pellet grill will give you a 360-degree cook all the way around with those pellets. So for your turkey, you'll brine it. So I know the term brining sounds gross to me personally. It's basically just soaking it in water and different spices, whatever you pick. And then for overnight, and then you put it on there, put it at 350, cook it for 3 hours, and you've got a beautiful smoked turkey. The nice thing is, if you're outside, you know, San Diego's encouraging everybody to be outside. It should be nice weather. You can hang outside, you can cook the turkey, you can enjoy the weather, and you don't have to have everybody gathering inside, which I know they're really discouraging now. Or just set it and put the meat thermometer in, and then you're good to go, and you can go back inside and not worry about having to keep basting it and all that stuff. You literally, it'll cook all the way around. So that's Monument Grill's brand new pellet grill. It's just a super easy way to cook pretty much everything. You can bake, you can braise, you can smoke, you can roast, you can grill, you can do everything on this thing.
And 3 hours, that's not bad for a turkey as well. Hey, what's something else to enhance overall ambience at the home, just to look and feel better? I know we're all spending so much more time at home. Maybe we're looking for a new feel.
I love that question. So you know, in San Diego, we all love the sunshine, right? We all love the way we look and feel in the bask of natural sunlight. So the makers of Sylvania just came out with this new light bulb. It's called the Natural Series with True Wave technology, and it will get you sunlight. It will get you light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight, right inside your house all year long. So what you don't realize is LEDs actually emit a blue light. This minimizes that blue light, and blue light suppresses melatonin, so you're not sleeping as well, and it creates a glare, so it's harder for you to read with your eyes. But with this True Wave technology, you're sleeping better, you're feeling better, you're getting light as close as you can get to the natural sunlight in your house all year long. Isn't that awesome? These are at Ace Hardware. You can go see, they've got ones, the BR30s for overhead, the A19s for your lamps, but just a great technology to give you that sunshiny look inside.
Awesome. Kathryn, thank you so much for joining us. You got some great products there, and of course we'll post this to our website, cbs8.com, if our viewers are watching this and want to check out some of the stuff. Hey, great to see you as always.
Absolutely. Good to see you. Everyone can go to BeTheBestHome.com too if they want a recipe for their turkey. And happy holidays to you and Eric and everyone over there.
Yes. A happy early Thanksgiving to you and yours.
Thanks, City. Take care.
Bye.
Kathryn, always